Can we envision a city of the future that redefines livability, business, and conservation? Welcome to the concept of Neom, a bold, audacious dream taking shape in the heart of Saudi Arabia. A city where the line between the present and the future blurs, where legacy-free and future-oriented ideas converge to create a world of unrestricted thinking and innovative solutions. Here, the ethos is to redefine urban development, to create a space that doesn't just exist, but thrives. Niyūm is a city built with an ambitious vision, powered by 14 key sectors, each contributing to a sustainable and innovation-driven economy. Imagine a city that's not just open for business, but is a catalyst for modernity and progress. A city that's not just built, but is imagined and reimagined to put people first, to be nature-friendly, to set new global standards for livability. Neom is not just a project, it's a vision of a future where the greatest minds and best talents are empowered to embody pioneering ideas and exceed boundaries in a world inspired by imagination. Building the future is no small feat. This statement rings true as we delve into the construction of Neom, an ambitious undertaking that seeks to redefine urbanism in a manner that is both people-first and nature-friendly. The story of Neom's construction begins with a staggering investment of $500 billion, sourced from the Public Investment Fund of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, as well as local and international investors. This colossal financial backing sets the stage for a project of unprecedented scale and vision, aiming to create a legacy-free, future-oriented city that is not bound by the constraints of conventional urban development. Strategic planning is at the core of Neom's construction. An innovative approach has been adopted to ensure that the city is built to foster unrestricted thinking and fresh solutions to today's most pressing challenges. This approach is guided by the vision of creating a profitable, sustainable, and innovation-driven economy across 14 key sectors. The construction of Neom is not just about erecting buildings and infrastructure, it's about building a community that will be powered by talent and diversity, where the greatest minds and best talents are empowered to embody pioneering ideas and exceed boundaries. Neom is also redefining the concept of connectivity. With the construction of the line, a revolutionary infrastructure project, the various regions within Neom will be seamlessly connected, setting new global standards for livability. But what truly sets Neom apart is its commitment to conservation. From the very beginning, protection, preservation, and regeneration sit at the core of Neom's construction model. The city is being built with nature in mind, ensuring that the development does not just coexist with the natural environment, but actively contributes to its regeneration. The construction of Neom is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the audacity to reimagine what a city can be. As we watch the city rise from the desert, we can't help but marvel at the potential it holds for the future. Neom is more than a city, it's a beacon of what the future can be. This audacious vision encapsulates the essence of Neom, a pioneering venture that's redefining the concept of urban development and setting the stage for a new era of sustainable and innovation-driven economies. At the heart of Neom's vision lies an unwavering commitment to build a profitable, sustainable, and forward-thinking economy. This is not just about economic growth for its own sake. Rather, it's a holistic approach that envisions a balanced coexistence of people, business, and nature, empowered by innovation across 14 key sectors. From energy and water to food and digital services, Neom is creating an ecosystem that fosters unrestricted thinking and fresh solutions to today's most pressing challenges. Integral to this vision is the line, a revolutionary concept that is set to redefine global standards for livability. Imagine a 170-kilometer-long urban belt where everything you need is always within a 5-minute walk. No cars, no streets, and no carbon emissions. Just a seamless blend of nature, technology, and humanity. That's the line, a testament to Neom's commitment to people-first urbanism. But Neom's vision extends beyond its boundaries. It's about creating an impact that resonates globally, a model that inspires other cities and countries to embrace sustainable urban development. A beacon that lights the path towards a future where economic progress doesn't come at the expense of our planet. The financial muscle behind this ambitious project is significant. With $500 billion from the Public Investment Fund of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, along with local and international investors, Neom is not just a dream, but a reality in the making. At its core, however, Neom is more than an economic project. It's a community in the making, a community that embraces talent and diversity, where the greatest minds and best talents are empowered to embody pioneering ideas and exceed boundaries in a world inspired by imagination. Neom's vision is not just about building a city, but creating a community powered by talent and diversity. This is the future, this is Neom, and it's open for business. In Neom, nature doesn't just exist, it thrives. The urban living of tomorrow is not just about innovative technology and business, it's about conservation. It's about creating a space where nature and humanity coexist in harmony. The heart of Neom beats with an unwavering commitment to three core principles: protection, preservation, and regeneration. Protection is the first pillar, and it's not merely about safeguarding what currently exists, but also about ensuring the vitality of our ecosystems for future generations. Neom is a sanctuary, a shield that keeps the balance of nature intact. It's about creating a safe haven where both the smallest microbe and the largest mammal can flourish. Preservation goes hand in hand with protection. It's about maintaining the natural beauty and diversity of the environment. Neom isn't just building a city, it's preserving an ecosystem. It's about understanding the inherent value of every organism, every ecosystem, and ensuring their continued existence. It's about taking a step back and letting nature lead the way. Regeneration takes us a step further. It's not enough to just protect and preserve. We need to regenerate, to breathe new life into our ecosystems. In Neom, regeneration is a guiding principle, driving us to restore and renew our environment. It's about giving back to nature, about healing the wounds of the past and creating a brighter, greener future. These principles aren't just lofty ideals, they are integrated into every facet of Neom's design and operation. They drive the vision of Neom, shaping it into a beacon of sustainable urban development. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our city, binding us to the land and to each other. Neom is more than a city. It's a commitment to put nature first, to build a future where human innovation and natural ecosystems thrive side by side. Neom is an accelerator of planetary regeneration, a testament to the belief that nature must come first, even in the heart of a bustling future